Hi everyone. Today's look is what I'm calling a light day smoke. I don't know why that's what it came to me, but that's what came to me when I thought about what's an easy, just outer V matte smoke. Going for simple, few steps, throw on, out the door, makes it look like you tried a lot harder than you did. I can promise you that. And this is what I came up with. I'm using the ColourPop You Had Me at Hello palette. Love this palette. I'm falling more and more in love with it all the time, and I've had it for months. It's just a classic go-to. As is this look. I'm really liking this look. It is 3 makeup brushes for the eyes, pretty much. Oh, under eye. You could probably use them. What I'm trying to say is it's pretty simple. It's not crazy. 3 foreshadows on the eye. Why do I feel the need to tell you that? Keep watching and you'll find out. This tutorial is just on my eyes, so the rest of my face ain't included, so it should be pretty quick. If I would shut up, just usually doesn't happen that way. But yeah, I figure a lot of times I do crazy fancier looks, and we're all day-to-day gals. This is a great, just looking like you tried more than you did. I hope you enjoy. Please keep watching. Thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs in the middle. Subscribe, rate, comment, link, give me stars, give me everything. No, you don't have to do that. It's okay. Obviously, I don't know how to let this keep going, so I hope you enjoy. Keep watching. I need to stop talking with my hands. She cute. I don't even say that. I like this, though. Surprisingly. Okay. Surprisingly. I hope you like it. Alright, I'll shut up. I feel like it looks like I'm going on a jungle safari, and I'm the host. Try to give myself a name, it didn't work. Alright, whatever. My eyebrows are on, my eyes are primed. I just used Shape Tape and some MAC Patrick Star powder. My brows are the LA Girl Slim Shady for the most part. Now I remember why I'm not a huge fan. See how I keep going back and forth? Every video is going to be a different update. If I'm having an issue with my brow, specifically this monster, specifically here, because it's not as nice as this one, I need to like shape it more, fill it in more. That is when I do not like that pencil, because it seems to not be as good for making the actual like hairbrush like strokes when you do not have the hair. For filling in the brow, it's good. When you're lacking or sparse areas, I'm not as big of a fan. That's the update today on that. So for the look today, we are going to use the ColourPop You Had Me at Hello palette. I know I've talked about this before, but I don't know if I've talked about how much I absolutely love this palette. One, these are my tone. They provide a lot of looks, a lot of different looks. Two, this mirror, I will bring this with me traveling for the mere fact of this mirror. I just like it. I can like set it. I've set it on a cup before, and I'm like good to go. It fits like almost my whole face. It's like a perfect compact size. So I love this palette. I reach for it a lot. You've probably seen me use it a lot in my videos, but for $18, get it. Totally worth it. I want to get more of their palettes that are this size, if they have any, with a mirror, because totes, my goats, worth it, and I should shut up. So we are doing what I'm calling like a light day smoke. So what started this is I thought about how that new technique I've been doing, just new to me, just like sculpting out the outer V with the Morphe, I have it right here, Morphe 321, and then blending it out. So I was like, well, what would be like a nice, just doing like that, almost like a day smoke, a light smoky eye. I don't know, we make things up here. So I am, just because I feel like I kind of need to, I'm gonna go in with, I don't know how these work too, because I feel like, pretty sure this is 2Ps. I'm going with that as like a lay down transition crease. I made no sense. Just to give my eye some sort of pigment. This is going to be a Morphe R37. It's a bigger, fluffy brush. So I'm going to concentrate this again. We're really just going to be doing outer V. And this is just to give us some other depth. Using circular motions, bringing it in about halfway. Trying to make sure all the color's off. And then I'll bring it in. This is like a new favorite brush. I like this brush a lot. It's a fluffy brush. Why can I not speak? It's a fluffy brush, but it has a slight taper to a point. And then I'm taking that same brush, no product, but I want to make sure it's like blended out higher. So I seem to have a much more area between my like eye and my brow. So I have a lot more transition area than most people. So I a lot of times have to bring this up a lot more. Like a lot of times when people just do this, they would already be by their eyebrow, but because I'm not, I'm consistently always trying to like blend it up a little higher. Next, I'm going to take the Morphe M513, and I still, just because of the innate nature of myself, feel like I need a little bit more for my transition. And I'm going to mix, I think it's Pulling Strings and Want You Back. I don't know. It's the way these are, it's either that or Sparks Fly and DTR. And so it's these two shades. I'm going to take a slight mixture on this brush. Pushing this into the crease a little bit. That's it, because really I don't even want that. This is the R37. I just wanted to deepen that orange color. So next, I'm going to now take a mixture of whatever shade this is, and then if that's Pulling Strings, Spark Fly, I don't know, because they don't even sound like what I think they would be sounding like. So a mixture of this and that on the Morphe 321. And this is where I am just going to press this one into the lower lash line. And I'm going to carve a V out. And can you imagine I just left it like that too? So this brush, it almost looks like it's a, and it might be a pencil brush, but it almost looks like it's for under the eye, maybe it is. But it also has like a slight taper, which makes it kind of nice for getting into the outer V. I will take the M513. This is not as fluffy, it's much more dense, better for the outer edge, and I'm going to just blend out. I kind of will swipe inwards with the color. In the crease, I will blend up, and then I will down. At the outer edge, I will do circles. So after you blend that out, I'm just going to take the R37. For right now, I'm not going to take any additional product. This is where I will blend again on the outer edge. I will kind of bring it now into the center, and that's because I don't want to really take product there, but I don't want it to be like... Okay, so the top of the eyes are now done. You could go in with a wing. I am not one because I tried and messed up and had to start all over. I'm not, me and wings we aren't together. But you could, if like that's your normal go-to, go for it. You do not have to. Again, this is a light day smoke. We just warmed up the outer edge. Pretty simple. I mean, I was able to redo this look too in like 5 minutes, so that's always a good thing. I'm actually gonna just go do the rest of my face. I'm gonna come back on camera. We're just gonna like just insert noise to the lower lash line, but okay. I will be back in uno momento. So, face is on, mascara is on the top, and I'm gonna finish off the lower lashes. Oh, I hate foundation lips. I'm going to take my e.l.f. 202 pointed pencil brush, and I am going to go in with whatever shade this is, these two mixed, and I'm going to put that right underneath. And I'm going to take the Morphe E18 and I'm just going to blend this out. Again, this is like a light daytime smoke, so this is not going to be very heavy. If you want it heavier, feel free. But that is all I'm going to do. So I'm going to go put on some mascara on my bottom lashes, a lip, and I'll be right back. And this is the completed daytime smoke. I just threw in some gloss to make it easy. This is supposed to be just a good, I want to look a little bit more fabulous than normal, but I, A, don't want it to take 12 years. 2, don't feel like doing it, so make it simple, but make me look good. I hope you enjoyed. This was actually like one of the fastest times of me getting ready. I did not do anything crazy with my face, and those eyes are pretty simple. So if you wanted a little light daytime smoke, here it is. Please comment, rate, link, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs in the middle. Or as always, please keep watching, and I'll see you